Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce an hot ceiling hand shower to you. It is universal hand shower with standard half-inch thread for connecting with shower hose. It is single function hand shower with turbo fan in backside. It has stop button here, easy to stop water during bathing. Soft rain spray removes all fatigue from job. This water outlet looks very nice, like Canton Tower. Also can open it to clean the floor. This high-pressure hand shower suitable for low water pressure. Different types are available for choose.